In this video, you will learn that how to add solar panel version 2 to the Proteus. In the previous video, we have added the simple solar panel, and now in this video, I will show you how to add the version 2 of the solar panel. So for that, you must have the external library, and you can download the library from the link provided in the description. Download it, and then you will get this folder. Now open it, and here you can see the two files. Copy both these two files, and now from here search for the Proteus file. Here you can see the Proteus file. Right click on it, and now click on open file location. This is the Proteus 7 bin folder, and from here you have to go back one step to this Proteus 7 main folder. So click on this, and here this is the Proteus 7 main folder, and from here find the library folder. So here you can see the library folder. Right click on it, and now open it. So now here paste both the file that we have copied from the solar panel library. So paste it, and here you can see both the solar panel files are added. This is the version 2 of the solar panel. So now close it. Now reopen it from here. Here you can see, now search for the solar panel. So here you can see this is the previous version of the solar panel, and here this is the solar panel version 2. This is also the version 2. So one is in blue and the second one is in black. So double click on it, and also double click on this as well. So now here place it here, zoom it. This is in black color, and now pick this one and place it here. Let me zoom it to a specific area. So here you can see the two pins. This is the wire for positive terminal, and this is the wire for negative terminal. Same here, positive terminal and negative terminal. So this is the 12 volt. This is also the 12 volt. You can change the voltage from here. Let me change this to 24. Here you can see this is the 24, and let me show it to you on the meter as well. So from here pick the DC voltmeter. So let me run it, and here you can see this is the 24 volt. Now run it. Here you can see this is the 24 volt, and now this is the 12 volt solar panel. So you can use these solar panels in your projects. So this was the method of how to add the solar panel version 2 to the Proteus. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to Arduino. Thanks for watching.